Plaza, the only super regional shopping center in all Brooklyn. This mega mall had stores like Clique, Aeropostale, and many other popular brands. After shopping and shopping and shopping some more, I built up quite an appetite and headed off to the food court. There were so many options, like Sbarro, the Italian restaurant. There was also Popeyes, really good. I also found Megumi. There was even Dunkin' Donuts. Then I found the perfect restaurant, Yong Kang Street Chinese restaurant, so I decided to go in. They offered an all-you-can-eat menu for $12, and the food looked so mouth-watering and delicious. We had lots of vegetables, different types, deep fried chicken, fish, even French fries, and my favorite, spring rolls. After selecting my container, which was equipped with a plastic glove, I chose all I could eat, which had to include spring rolls. It was a totally Chinese dish. Vegetable fried rice, vegetable pasta. Then I had my broccoli, plantain, mushrooms. I even added some French fries and topped it off with my spring rolls. It smelled good. It looked amazing. Now it was time for me to taste. And to get that perfect bite, I added my sweet chili sauce. It was delicious. Every bite was just so good, and I couldn't get enough of those spring rolls. Dipping it into that amazing sweet chili sauce just gave the perfect bite. If you happen to be in King's Plaza in Brooklyn, you must try Yong Kang Street Chinese restaurant. All you can eat for $12. It's worth it.